The Walk to the Beach meditation track. Allow yourself to be in a comfortable position. You may sit on a comfortable chair or sofa or lie on your back. Relax your body. Gently close your eyes and bring yourself to a quiet, calm place in your mind. Breathe deeply and comfortably. Notice the sound of your breath. Listen to the air as it moves in and out. If you find yourself getting distracted, simply bring your attention back to your breath and focus on your breath work. Take a deep breath in and relax your body. With every breath you take, feel your body relaxing more and more as you breathe out all the stress and all the tension. Now imagine yourself magically transported to your favorite spot on a beach. If you've never been to a beach before, just imagine what you think it would be like. Imagine yourself there now. You can hear the sound of the waves up ahead. You can smell the salt. Feel the warm, moist air and feel the pleasantness of the cool, gentle breeze. Imagine taking your shoes off and just walking through the sand. Feel the sand particles on the ground. On the beach, you feel the lapping of the waves against your toes. You dig your toes deeply into the cool, wet sand. The sun shines brightly, warming your skin as if the sun, through its light, is simply pouring its love on you. It feels so warm and nice. Feel the rhythm of the calm waves. Feel them flowing over the sand. Notice how your breathing becomes calm and even. Feel the warmth of the sun melting your muscles into complete relaxation. Slowly and easily, your body relaxes more and more, releasing all the tension, all the frustration, releasing any worries and doubts that you may have. Your body is relaxed and your mind is totally calm. You are feeling calm and refreshed. Feel yourself walking back out of the water and onto the beach. Stroll along the beach at the water's edge, free of worries, completely enjoying yourself. Enjoy the sun, the breeze, the waves. As you continue feeling peaceful and relaxed, take in a nice deep breath again and bring your attention back to where you are, along with all the calm, peaceful feelings of relaxation and rest. You are feeling energized and peaceful now. Now bring yourself back to the present moment. Let the scene of the beach fade in the background and notice how the calmness and peace has continued to stay and linger. Keep with you the feeling of calmness and relaxation. You may store this feeling in your heart, feeling ready to return to your day. Whenever you're ready, stretch your muscles and gently open your eyes, feeling fine, fully refreshed, and filled with energy. Totally ready to seize the day. More power to you.